as soon as I have just selected all the patterns available in my access scanner, you can see that there are multiple results which are popping up, wherein you can see Apollo Hospital is in that chart. There is a chart pattern of inverted hammer in the Apollo Hospital. So it's like as per your trading pattern or as per your conditions, you can set it, and once the conditions are set on that basis, the results would be populated. Now, next what? You have got the results, and what if you need to buy and sell something from the screen itself? So it is very easy. What you would be doing is that you just would be selecting the script whichever you want to buy or sell. So as you can see that I have just selected the Apollo Hospital, and I will just be clicking F1. As soon as I click F1, you can see that my order pad window has been opened, and from this order pad you can directly buy or sell. If I just click F2, my order pad window would be turned to my sell order pad, and you can again place a sell order if you wish. So it's this easy to trade from this access scanner. So the most beneficial and time-saving feature, I would say, which can help all the traders out there, wherein he does not need to filter out each stocks, or he does not want to go to particular stock chart and see whether the pattern is forming or not, or if that particular stock is breaking some important levels or not. Once the preset condition has been given to my access scanner, then as per the events occurring in that charts, all the results would be populated over here. So yeah, this was all about the access scanner. I will move ahead with another amazing feature which we have in our Trader Pro EXE. That is something option strategies. Again, this option strategy is like widely used in the market. Almost every other trader use option strategies because it's very it's not a great idea to go naked in the market and take a naked positions. Let it be on the buy side or the sell side. It's always better you hedge the strategies so that your loss and profit are defined. So it's better. It's always better to preserve your capital rather than going in naked positions into the market. So here we are with the option strategies feature, wherein the option strategies would be giving you a preset strategies as per the conditions which you give to the option strategy builder. So as you can see that here you can select the stock or all the FNO stocks which are listed in the market. So you just need to select any trading indices or the FNO stocks. So for that matter, I will be selecting NFT. And next, you need to hit the maturity. Like if you are a trader who trades on the near month, so you can select that. Or suppose if you are a trader who have a long term view, so you can do that too. So it's absolutely on the basis of the persona, which trading pattern you follow. So on that basis, you can select the maturity. Then the next field which you guys need to input is that the margin plus premium. So till how much money you want to deploy in that particular strategy is something you can decide. And post you decide that on that basis, my option strategies would be running, and it would be giving you the strategies on the basis of the margin which you have defined. Next is something the available margin. This is nothing but the margin available in your account. Then again, there are some parameter selection which are very important, and it would help you to do the proper risk management if you enter into any trade. So we have also given an option to set the maximum loss which you can take if you enter to that particular strategy. So our option strategy would be giving you that strategy itself, wherein the maximum loss is below the number which you have defined. Uh, it's that easy, wherein you just need to enter the maximum loss which you can bear, and post you do that, our option strategies would be showing you all the results. As you can see that I have just set the predefined parameters, and I will just hit on the search button. As soon as I hit on the search button, you can see that there are a number of strategies which is there in my screen. and you can just like select any of the strategies as per your convenience, and you can execute those strategies. So you can see as of now I have just selected a bullish trend. That's the reason all my strategies are regarding to the bull trend, that is bull call spread, let it be the bear bull put spread. Also, if you scroll down, there will be other strategies too. So again, there are different strategies which are option strategy would be building and showing you on the screen. And according to the maximum gain or the maximum loss which you can take, you can filter out the strategy. Also, suppose if I want to see that on which strategy I would be having a max gain. So this is something you can do from here. You can just filter out the strategies. Also, there is one more most important filter, like how much money you want to deploy in any particular strategy. Again, you can like filter from here. So on that basis, the strategies would be filtered. Now, let's suppose that I want to execute this first strategy only. So what I need to do is that I just need to hit on the view details button. As soon as I hit on the view details button, you can see that one window pops up wherein all the necessary information to for executing that strategy is shown on the screen, wherein it would show that which exactly the strike price we will be executing, and what is the premium for that particular strike price, how many lots we would be executing, the quantity and the value too. Also, the risk and max gain is also defined. So this is something a very important. I would say the information for all the traders out there, wherein you will be knowing that before executing your strategy, what would be your max risk and max gain. Also, what would be your break-even point, that is also available in the screen itself. Also, you can see that the payoff diagram is something we have created for all of you guys, wherein you can see that as per the market movement, how your profit and loss would be moving. That can be easily seen in the screen itself. Now, next, one of the major important thing, you guys may ask me that how I will be executing the strategy from this screen itself. So you just need to hit on the execute button, and as soon as you hit on the execute button, a confirmation pop-up would be pop in, wherein you just need to hit on the confirm button. As soon as you hit on the confirm button, your strategy would be executed, and those orders can be seen in your order book and position book. So again, it's this easy to execute order from the option strategy. I will just close all this. So yeah. So again, this is one of the important and the most demanded feature which all traders would use in today's volatile market. The option strategies, which can just help the traders out, which can help traders to like take a proper trades on the basis of their criteria. Like if he wants to go in a conservative way, if he wants to go in an aggressive way. So all those parameters which he can fix over here, and on that basis he can just execute the trade which our system would be shown. Uh, so yeah, so this was all about my option strategies. Uh, then I would be explaining you the next important feature which we have in our EX is that trade from chart. So again, almost all the traders out there observe the chart before taking any position in the market. So to tackle that, what we have done is that we have introduced a trade from chart feature, wherein you can just directly place the order from the chart itself. So as you can see that over here, my Adani port chart is visible. I will just change the chart. I will just open the HDFC Bank chart. So yeah, so this chart is open. The HDFC Bank chart is open now, and I just need to hit on this mouse trading button. As soon as I hit on the mouse trading button, you can see that my buy limit and sell stop, my trade from chart window gets activated. Now, suppose if I want to place the order, I would be just clicking on the right or left click to execute my order. So on the left click, my buy order window would be opening, and if I do the right click, my sell order window would be opening. And suppose if you want to buy at any particular level, you just need to hover on the chart. So as soon as you hover on this chart, at that particular level, you can just place any buy order or sell order. As you can see that now, Now I'm hovering at this 1760 levels, and I'm just hitting on the left click. As soon as I hit on the left click, you can see that my order pad window open up, and you can just directly place order from here. So let's place one order. So I have just placed one order, and it is executed successfully. As you can see that I have also got the confirmation, and you can see that my order has been traded. So yeah, it's a limit order, so that's the reason it's in the pending state. But yeah, if it would be an market order, then the order would have been executed and the status would be the executed status. So again, it's this easy to like directly place order from the chart itself. Also, you can see that I have just placed a SL order. So a indicator line is been displayed on the chart, wherein you know that for this particular script you have placed order at this level, and it would be continuously like you can monitor it at whenever this level comes in, your order would be placed. So yeah, so this was all about the trade from chart. uh, Now moving to the another feature, which again all the traders would be using, is that the option chain. So we have full-fledged option chain wherein you can see all the strike price, also all the Greeks are available. So yeah, I will just perfect. So I have just selected the Nifty option chain. As you can see that it would be the most volatile option chain we can see. So you can see on the screen that I have opened the option chain, and again this is a very full-fledged option chain which we are providing to all the users, wherein you can see all the strike price of that particular indices. Also, you can see the OI analysis of that particular strike price. As you can see that we have mentioned a performance over here wherein there is a short build-up or long build-up or short covering on that particular strike price. So again, this entire window is very useful for all the traders. Wherein suppose if you guys want to trade in a particular strike price, you can easily do that rather than going and searching from the global search. You can just hover in the price. As you can see, I am just showing you. So on the arc, I'm just hovering it, and if I click on this buy window, my order pad opens up, and I can directly place an order from this window itself. So it would be working for both. If you want to sell anything, you just need to go to the bid side, and my sell order window would be opening, and you can select the parameters as per your wish, and once the parameter is set, you can just place order from this window itself, and all the orders would be shown in the order book and the position book. So this is all about my option chain. Also, one more important thing which we have added in the option chain is that the Greeks. So suppose if you are a pro trader, and if you want to analyze the Greeks of that particular strike, so again that can be also like you can analyze those from this window itself. So all the Greeks are available over here. You can just analyze on the basis of Greeks, and on that basis you can take trades too. Also, if you want to see the OI analysis in the graphical representation, so again, that is also available in our product. So you can just hit on this OI analysis CTA, wherein that you can, this window pops up, and you can see all the uh, OI levels or the strike price, and what is the OI for that particular strike, which is currently going in the market, and you can like take the inference from this and take the trades accordingly. So yeah, this was all about my option chain, wherein again it's a very handy tool all for all the traders, wherein he can just buy or sell directly from the option chain too. Now coming to the next feature, which we have, is that creation of watch lists. So again, watch list creation is something, it's available. It's very easy and it's available everywhere. But we have one notable feature which we have introduced in our watch list, is that you can create a watch list in few clicks for the options and FNO contracts. So I will just show you. I'm just adding one ITC script over here. Now, suppose if you are a trader and you trade in ITC on a very aggressive way, and you want to see that what all the at what level the futures of ITC are trading, and also you want to see that what all the ATM options are available for this particular script. So what you will do is that you just need to select this ITC, and if you click Control 1, like you press Control 1 simultaneously, I will just close this and I will show you guys. Yeah. If you press Control 1, you can see that my near month future has been added to my watch list. So again, it's this easy to add my near month future in the watch list. If I press Control 2, you can see that all the futures, like all the 3 month futures has been added in my watch list. If I press Control 3, so you can see that all the four ATM call options is been added in my watch list. So again, it's very easy for a trader to monitor and check the price of all the near strike price, which is like currently trading and have a high volume for those strike price. If I press Control 4, you can see that all the put options of all the near put options is been added to my watch list. So it's this easy to create a options watch list for any contract which you want. And also you can save this. You just need to hit the right click of your mouse, and you will be saving this. I will say this ITC options. And yeah, it's done. Your watch list is created in just few clicks, and you have added more than 10 contracts within few seconds. So again, it's this easy to create a options and FNO watch list in our Trader Pro terminal. And suppose if you want to see where this option from where you can access all the watch list you have created, you just need to hit this manage market watch, and then this window would be popped up. And in that, you need to select the user defined. And in user defined, you can see that whatever whichever watch list you have been created, it would be shown over here, and you can just select, and all your watch list which you have created would be visible. So this was the earlier watch list which I have created. Also, as I'm talking about the watch list, we have different already preset watch lists which are created which is created by our system itself. So suppose if I want to see all the industries like industry-wise stocks, so I have just selected industry NSE and I'm selecting paints NSE. So you can see that all the paint stocks have been added to my watch list. And suppose if you feel that for any particular sector, so there will be a particular move in any particular sector. So again, you just don't need to search for a single stocks from the global search. You can just come here. You can just see which industry you are looking after, and you just need to hit that. And post that, you can select the particular industry, and on that basis all the stocks which are like available in that industry and are trading would be added in your watch list. uh, I will just add one more stock, one more industry, and I will show you guys. Let's add finance. Yes, so I have just added finance sector watch list, and you can see that the stocks which are trading in that particular sector have been added to your watch list. So yes, it's this easy to create the watch list and be updated with all the trending stocks which are there in the market. Also, suppose there are traders who wants to see the heat map of the particular stocks which they have added in their watch list. So again, this feature is also available in our Trader Pro EXE. You just need to hit on this fire icon. As soon as you hit on this fire icon, the heat map would be opening, and you can see that from the visual point of view, you can see that the 50% it's like the index is trading down. It's in red. So there are multiple stocks in Nifty 50 which are in red today, and there are few stocks which are in green. So again, it's very easy and convenient for all the users to gauge what the current market status is. So I will just add one more watch list, and I will show you how the big heat map would be looking like. I will I will add Nifty 200. Perfect. I have added Nifty 200 watch list. So again, see, in just one click, that Nifty 200 watch list is there, and you can just see all 200 stocks which are present in Nifty 200 is available in the screen itself. Like it's that easy to add this and analyze as per your want. So I will just hit on this fire icon, and you can see that the maximum stocks are in red. That's the reason the indices is also in red. So again, it's very easy to analyze on the basis of heat map too, wherein you can see that on which particular stocks you would be buying and which particular stocks you would be selling. So yeah, so this was all about the watch list and the heat map. Now, coming to the how you can buy or sell anything from this trader pro terminal. So again, it's very easy. I would be showing you how you can directly execute the orders from this terminal. So for that matter, let's select one stock. I will select let's select NP. So you can see that I have just selected NP, and I have double clicked on that NP. You can see that the chart has been open. So again, it's very convenient for the user if for all the traders, I would say, wherein if he wants to see any particular chart, he just need to click double click on that particular stock from the watch list, and the chart would be opening right here in front of them. Now I will place one order. So I just need to hit the right click of my mouse, and you can see that multiple options are available. Also, if you don't want to do that, you can just hit the F1 key. So my order pad window would be opening. Yeah, I will just switch to my normal view. Yes. So yes, I will show you how you can place any buy and sell order. So you just need to hit on F1 key. As soon as you hit the F1 key, my order pad window would be open. You can select the exchange as per your wish, in which exchange you want to trade. You can select the regular or SL order if you want to. If you want to sell that particular stock or buy, again, that can be easily done. You just bear with me, Sunil. I'll be sharing all the details, and I'll be taking all your questions at the end of this webinar. And I will also share the link of this terminal where you can download it and start using it out. So you'll be defining the quantity. So I am defining one quantity. Let's take a smaller stock. Let's take ITC. Yeah. So I have taken ITC. I'm just entering 10 quantity, and I want to buy ITC at 470 level. Now it's trading at 477. Perfect. Now I'm placing a buy order. As you can, there would be order confirmation over here. I would be confirming it, and you can see my order is placed successfully. Also, I have got one notification that my order is placed. Now that order I can see in my order book. So it's available over here. Now suppose if I want to execute this and I don't want to wait for that particular level which I have placed like 470. So it's again, I'll just hit the modify key. I can modify the price from here. I will just modify to market. So I will hit modify, I will confirm, and yeah, there we go. So the order is modified, and you can see that my order status has been ceased and the order is executed. Now, as the order is executed, I can see my order. I can see my order in the net position book. You can see that my ITC has been traded, the product is intraday, and my 10 quantity has been traded. And the profit and loss, everything you can monitor over here. So again, it's this easy to place order from this Trader Pro terminal. Also, you can use the tab keys and you can use your keypad to place the order. As maximum traders out there use the tab keys to place order, and whenever they are using terminals, So you can just use the tab key and you can just place orders. Again, it's this easy, and that feature is also available in our terminal. Now I will show you how you can add funds. Yeah. So you just need to hit on this margin tab, and you can see that whatever funds are available in your account currently, that is visible, and that can be seen in the screen itself. And suppose if you want to add funds, you just need to hit on this add button, and you can enter the amount as per your wish, and the amount would be transferred and amount would be added in your account, and you can trade accordingly. So again, it's that easy just to add funds, and you can place your orders. Now, also there is one feature which I have missed out while explaining you the watch list. I will explain you out now. So yeah. So suppose if you are like observing Nifty 200 stocks, and if you want a scanner for that Nifty 200 stocks too. So again, that can also be done easily with our this scanner watch list scanner feature, wherein you can just few more filters to your watch list, and our watch list will be helping you out to scan the particular stock, wherein you can give the filters like the stock is continuously rising for 2 days, or the stock is continuously falling for 2 days. Or if you want to put any conditions over it, that is, if you want to compare the price, that is the yesterday's closing, so the closing price is greater than the previous close, or the high is greater than the previous high, or there are many more conditions over here, you can select that also. Or suppose if you want to see that if there is any particular breakout on that particular stock, again, that can be easily selected over here, and on that basis, the stocks would be filtered out. Also, you can filter out the stocks on the basis of volumes, open interest, and if you want to apply any technical indicator, so again, that can also be easily done, and you just need to give the instruction over here, and on that basis, your stocks would be filtered in the watch list. So again, it's an add-on benefit. It's like add-on scanner in the watch list itself, wherein you can see you don't want to monitor all the Nifty 200 stocks, and from that Nifty 200 stocks, you can just view your conditions, and the stocks would be filtered as per your given condition. So yes, so this was all about the scanners for that particular watch list. Also now, I will show you one interesting feature, like a add-on feature, wherein I have as I've explained you about the access scanner. Let me go to the default mode. Yeah, so I'm in the default mode now. So suppose this scanner. So again, it's a very powerful scanner which we have built. Now there might be few users or the few traders out there who will ask one question stating that I don't want to trade on the stocks which you guys are giving. I have my own stocks, let it be from Nifty 500, or let it be from other industry, or or for that matter, you have your set of own stocks and you want to run this scanner like the bullish, bearish, pivot levels, and candlestick scanner for that particular watch list which you have created. So again, that can also be easily done. So as you can see that I will show you, you just whenever you will be selecting a group, you just need to hit on the user defined, and this user defined feature will help you out to show all the watch list which you guys have created. And on that watch list, our scanners would be running and would be showing the results for you. So I let's see that I would be selecting one watch list which I have. Let's select all ITC options itself, which we have created right now. Let all the options is selected. I will just start it. So if the ITC gives any signal over here, so that can be that would be visible. So you can see that the open interest has increased. So it's right in front of us that we currently have just added ITC in front of you guys, and there is one signal that the open interest has been increased at this particular level. The previous OI was this. So again, it's a very, very powerful tool wherein you can just add any of the FNO contracts, or let it be equity or any particular set of stocks which you have, which you want to scan. Everything you can do from this Access scanner. So yes, so this was all about the Access scanner. Now, one feature with before that, let's I will show you one more feature wherein you can just add alerts. So again, alerts is one feature wherein almost all the traders out there would require. And yeah, Sachin, just hold with your questions and give me some time. At the end of this webinar, I would be more than happy to answer all your questions. Uh, yes. So now explaining you the alerts feature. So again, alerts is something which would be required for all the traders and all the users. Wherein if you have any particular level set and you want to trade at that particular level itself, so you can just set the alert for that particular stock or FNO, and our system would be giving you alerts, and on that basis you can buy or sell. Again, it's a global search over here. You can just put it and you can see that all the listed stocks would be shown over here, and you can set an alert for that. And alert also, we have multiple options while selecting the while setting the alert. That is, suppose if you want to create an alert based on the rate or quantity, that can be easily done. Or suppose if you want to set on the conditions, so it can be like greater than or less than. So according to your price, uh, you can set the alert. Also, you can set the validity. So suppose if you want to create the alert for any particular FNO stock, and if you want to see that within a week this particular option or particular future will be giving a movement. So you can just again set the validity to that particular alert, and if in that period, if there is any movement in that particular FNO contract, it would be like the alert would be populated to you. Also, we have added one feature wherein you can add a description. So suppose if you are a hardcore trader and you trade in a very heavy quantity and you don't want to you tend to forget what you want to do, what action you want to do. So you can just add a description. Like suppose I will be adding, I will be buying this stock at this particular level, at this particular level. So again, the description is set, and this will help you to remind what you are, for what reason you have set the alert. And again, it's very useful wherein whenever the alert is popped up, you can see that if you have added any description, the description would also be there, and you can just take the action accordingly. So again, it's this easy to create an alert in our system, and again, it would be very useful for all the traders and the users, wherein he can set the alerts and take the most from this alert feature. So yes, now also I would like to again, we have so many small features which you can explore in this Trader Pro EXE. Like if I start explaining you the entire single feature, it will take hours to complete it. So I would ask everyone to try explore this EXE, and you would really love using this EXE, because it's actually a featured pack EXE wherein you will get whatever a trader needs to execute and to analyze a particular trade before getting into that trade. So again, it's like everything which you need to have a proper trading setup. So it's available in our EXE, and it's very easy to operate. It's as such there is uh, uh, no long processes wherein you want to select multiple things or that. So as I've shown you the access scanner, let it be for the watch plates. It's just like only 2-3 clicks and you are there. So all the features, whichever you want to access, hardly by 2, 3, or max 4 clicks. You if you do that, and that feature would be in front of your screen, and you can like use it at the most. So yes, I will also show you all the options quickly, wherein which would help you to analyze or to trade in this market. As you can see that if I click on the market summary, So again, there are different stocks which are present in the screen. So it's basically a market summary wherein you can see that what the percentage change, what is the value, and if you want to see, it has a filter of this thing like it's best 20, worst 20, or if any particular stock is trading at 52-week high or 52-week low. So basically, it's giving an entire picture of the market wherein you can just set it, and suppose it's 52-week low, you can see that Ola Electric is trading at 52-week low. And suppose if I select all-time high, so I think there is no stocks which is trading at all-time high. By let's go to 52-week high. Yeah. So there are minimum eight stocks which are trading at 52-week high. So again, if you want to trade in this any particular stock, so again, it's very easy and convenient that you don't need to keep on checking the entire scrape. Okay, fine, which scrape has it 52-week high or 52-week low, or what is the day's high, day's low. So it's this easy, and by few clicks, all this market summary would be there in front of your screen. And suppose now, if you want to add all this in your watch list to monitor it further, you can just create a watch list from over here, and all this would be added to your watch list. So again, it's very easy it's very an easy and useful feature for getting the market summary and to take a proper decision before you make any trades. Again, it's a market movement. It's a competition. I will show you. So yeah. So again, this is something a market movement wherein suppose if you are a day trader and if you want to analyze the prices on the time on the basis of time, like on the basis of 1 minute. So again, that can be also done. So you can see what was the price for a particular minute. It's shown in the it is shown in my screen. So basically, it's a market movement. So if you want to see if there any particular pattern which is going on, so again, that is also available. So basically, almost all the features which a hardcore trader would be needing, it's available in our EXE. And I would love to explain you all the features, but again, it would be very time consuming. So I would just stop over here, and I have seen that there are so many questions out there in the chat box. I would be more than happy to answer all this question. And if you guys have any queries, or if you guys want me to explain any feature again, I would be like more than happy to explain that feature again. Just give me a moment. I will see the chat box, and we can continue. I will just continue with answering all your questions. Just give me a moment. Perfect. So yeah, so there's one question wherein Ravinder is asking that how I can log in. So again, yeah, if you Ravinder, please can you 1 second. Let me. So Rohan, can we give permission to all the attendees to unmute themselves and ask questions?
Sure thing, sure. Give me just a moment.
Yeah. So Rohan, please let me know once you have done it. So till then, I will just take the questions. So Ravinder has one question.
It's done.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, Rohan. Yeah, so there's one question in the chat box stating that how to log it. So let's try to. I will try to log out my, and I will just show you. So again, it's very easy to log in. Ravindra, if you can tell me which application do you use? Do you use the Trade Access Direct application or the Ring application? So again, you just need to use the same.
Currently, I am using the ring,
Okay.
and I was using direct for 4-5 years now. From many long time, it is not working properly. So currently, I am using the ring. So
Okay.
you are again saying go to the direct and how to log in and
Perfect. So,
the address same or address is changed.
Perfect. So, Ravinder, it's very easy. You just need to use the same login credentials to log into this trading terminal. I will, so end of this webinar, I'll be just sharing a link. Like you will be getting a proper link to download this. You will also be getting a installation guide wherein you can see that how you will be installing this this EXE and post installation. You can just log in with the same credentials which is used in the Ring application. So it's very easy. As such, there is no hard and fast thing which you need to do. You just need to put the user ID, the password, and the OTP which is currently there in the Ring system as well. So the same thing you need to put it over here also, and you are set. You would be logged into this Trade Pro terminal.
Okay. And second question: is there any follow-up webinar like this after maybe a month?
Yeah. So again,
So that when we are comfortable and see, then questions will come. Today we feel everything is okay, but then we don't know.
I absolutely got your concern, Ravinder. So, what we have planned is, so today also, I have just explained you all the features, but again, I will be conducting the multiple webinars on this Trader Pro terminal, wherein I would be explaining each feature in depth. So, how you can use a single feature and how you can take most of it from the each features which are available in our EXE. So, again, there are multiple webinars planned, which we would be sharing the link with you guys to join and attend that. So, for example, I have just explained you how to place the order from the charts directly. Now, again, there is one more feature wherein you can just add the studies, and on the basis of studies, the signals would be generated, and from that you can buy and sell. Both the signals are generated. So again, there is so many things which I can explain you all regarding these features. Uh, so for sure, what we would be doing is that in the coming weeks, I would be conducting a webinar for each feature, wherein I would be explaining the each feature in detail, and I feel that that would be like very helpful for all the users out there. So it's absolutely planned at our end, wherein we would be conducting multiple webinars on this.
Okay, thank you very much.
Perfect. I would be called. Yes.
Hello.
Rohit sir,
Yeah.
it's a great masterpiece. Like I haven't seen this terminal before from any other broker.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you for providing us. I have two questions.
Yeah.
When I try to add fund, due to any issue through bill desk, my fund got stuck and it was credited to my demat account after 2 or 3 working days. So do we have any other option for that?
So as of now, what I can do is I can help you out with solving your query. What I will, you have our CS desk helpline number, or else I will just share the details wherein you can write us out what exactly you are facing, and we will help you out. We will get in touch with you. The executive will get in touch with you and help you to solve your query in person. So I will arrange a remote session for you, and all your queries would be addressed over there.
Sure. Actually, I have one more queries regarding positions.
Yeah. Please tell me.
What happens now? I use the EXE and the Axis Direct app simultaneously
Okay.
at the same time. So what happens now? In Axis Direct application,
Mm-hmm.
if we buy anything at a cash, then we gonna see that at our holdings. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But when we buy the same thing in a like e-margin or MTF,
Mm-hmm.
we get to know that there are two positions at a same script at a two different places. So
Mm-hmm.
it creates a lot of confusion. And same for the intraday. Intraday will be also in the today's position and in the like open positions.
Mm-hmm.
Also, the price difference also occurs. It creates a lot of confusion from where to sell the position. Like we can't sell the holding position, the cash holding position from the open positions, but it still we can see it. and we can't
Perfect.
sell
Perfect.
the position from the holdings. So it creates a lot of confusion, and then we have to go in touch if we don't know that how to sell the positions or which position to be sell from where. It creates a lot of confusion. So can't we make it simple like this EXE? It creates like simplicity.
Yes, thanks a lot for the feedback. And what we do is we would absolutely try to incorporate creating a single position book in our application. So again, thanks again for the feedback. We will try to create a single position book. So we would absolutely work on that.
Okay, sir. Thank you for listening.
Yeah. There is one question from Sunil stating that how to download the desktop application. Yes, so you will be getting a proper mail from Access Direct wherein the download link would be attached, and you can just download from that link, and also the installation guide and the shortcut keys which would be very helpful for using this EXE is also there. So again, you will be getting all the details regarding the download and how you can get this software installed in your system. Everything would be shared via mail post this webinar.
Hello, Rohit, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. I have already placed on this board a query. Actually, the open position, I am unable to arrange it alphabetically or M2M wise or, the expiry date wise. Right now, I am using Axis Ring. Also, there is no such facilities. But here, can you guide actually? If I can, I am working with the margin, basically, the open positions. How can I alphabetically list out or M2M wise or even the date wise?
So in this EXE, we have a very customizable EXE as you can see on the screen. So you would be getting a filter option. So suppose if you have seen that there are two positions which are open as of now, that is ITC and Adani Ports. So if you want to sort it, so it's that easy to, on just one click, you can just sort it as per the alphabetical wise.
No, actually, I have more than two.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's not about the number. I was talking about the feature wherein you can just sort. It's very easy on the basis of M2M or let it be on the basis of PNL. So it can be easily you can easily sort your position. It's not that the feature is available in this Trader Pro terminal wherein you just need to hit this and all your positions would be sorted as per the basis of M2M or let it be any column which you want to select, and if you want to sort on the basis of any column, it can be easily done.
No, it's not done basically. I have already sent a mail. It's not properly done.
In case I think there might be if you are facing any issues, I'll be just checking with my team wherein you can just again drop an email to us. Or again, I will just arrange a remote session for you, and we can help you out solving all your queries.
Yeah, I've already done actually. Okay, thank you. Just note it down. Note it down because when there are a number of entries in the open position, of course there are right click option available, ascending, descending. All these options are available. But then when I'm clicking those things, now it's not properly arranged. Okay. So ask your team to check it.
Right, absolutely. We will work on this, and we'll get a resolution for this. So basically, the feature is available. I will just check what's the issue.
Yeah, filter is available, but it's not working basically.
I will get that sorted.
Yeah, but otherwise, it's a great this thing. I have been actually asking for this kind of composite software. At least this has been done. There will be some teething trouble, but otherwise things are okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's a hand of.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.
Hello.
Yes.
Can I say something?
Yeah, please.
See, I'm trading in option trading in like 2-3 years, but I'm not able to set a stop loss. Multiple time I set a stop loss, but it never triggered. Like multiple time it happened that my buying price is go below down my stop loss. So how to deal with it?
So the thing is, so suppose if stop loss in the sense, if you are creating any positions like directly from the watch list or something like that, you can just create a like you can just add one stop loss order and it would be pending it in the order book. So it's that easy. Like if you want me to explain anything, like I exactly
Can you just guide me with demo?
it's suppose I will just show you. So suppose I would be like need to enter. I one second. Let me see if I have any open positions. I will just show you. So let me show you. It's ITC. It's traded. Yeah. So I want to put a stop loss order to this. It's 446. Below this rate, I can just add a single simple order. One second. I will just place a F2 order. So suppose if I want to keep a stop loss at 470 rupees, I'm just adding this 470 and it's done. So my one sell order is there in the order book and it's in pending state. One second. Just give me.
It's not that easy. Multiple time it happened that below that order it's sale.
No, it won't be.
It's
You can
executed.
try the software, and I am pretty sure about it. You won't face this issue. So you just need to like again, I am unable to get exactly what you are asking me. Like stop loss in the sense, if you are if you have added any buy order, like if you have gone long in the position and you just need to add a stop loss. So it's again a limit stop loss order can be easily set, and it will be there in the order book in the pending state.
Okay.
So
Okay.
again, if you face, I will just sharing. You will be getting a mail of this software from our end. You can start using this software. You can try facing a stop loss, and
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that feature would be working. And in case you have any queries or if your this order is not working, please reach out to us. We would be more than happy to answer all your queries and we will get your problem sorted. But yeah, I am pretty sure about it. If you use this software, all your problems will be like all the stop loss problems which you are facing would be sorted out.
Right now I'm using Access Direct.
Okay.
Right. Desktop version. Normal desktop version.
Perfect. So again, let's not get like distracted from this webinar.
Okay.
For sure, we will be like answering all your queries. Just be with us. Give us some time. Write back to us. We will help you out. Again, I can arrange a like remote session with you too, wherein an executive will be helping you out and solving all your queries.
Okay.
Perfect. So guys, I will take. Hello.
Yeah. Sachin here. I asked you one question regarding the indicator.
One
on
second.
the chart, can you just
it's Sachin. It's Sachin,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, Sachin. Yeah.
So yeah, so
You're able to hear me, right?
there is like your voice is not audible to me. There is some disturbance at your end.
Okay, now how about it? No.
Again, I am unable to hear you
Okay,
properly.
I have put it into the chat.
Perfect. I will answer your query. Let me read from the chat. Yeah. So can we modify the indicator usual moving average on price OHLCV, but I want to move average input RSI example I want. So you want to if you are adding an indicator. So you are asking me that if you have added any indicator and you want to adjust the indicator levels according to you, like you want to change the time frame or the period, right?
No. Like usually, like RSI takes the RSI tracks the price.
I think
Price.
I think it's the network is pretty bad at your end. Like I'm unable to hear you.
Sure, hold on. Actually, this network is good. I don't know. Maybe hold on. Just give a second. I just change the setting and then Yes. So now, how about now? Is
Again,
audio?
it's not that great, but you can continue. I will try to grasp.
Okay. Just plot the RSI.
Yes, one.
And add the moving average.
I will just add one RSI for you.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yes.
And now, yeah, so anything you can just put the anything. This is moving average, right?
Right.
RSI. And now can you just add a moving average?
I will just add an average over here.
Hmm.
Yes. So you want me to select any specific?
So now here, like average type, right? It is like exponential and weighted. But if you see the other trading platform, I can put on the RSI also. Yeah, something add on the RSI. I want the average of RSI, not the average of price.
Got it again. So it's something and like customers
You
indicate.
got it?
Yeah, I absolutely got your point. I absolutely got your point. This is something we can work on. Like again, thanks for your feedback. So customization of any particular indicator which you are asking me. Again, I'm just noting this point, and we will try to add the customization of those particular indicators which you have added. I absolutely got it. So basically, it's on the OHLCV, and you want to analyze that on the basis of RSI.
Yep.
Perfect.
And one more thing, I was using the Axis Direct Ring app desktop app.
Mm-hmm.
So when I open a chart, right? So let's say one chart is and I have the setup with a multiple monitor.
Mm-hmm.
So if I open a chart on, let's say, on each monitor,
Mm-hmm.
and I disconnect the monitor, the charts were not coming back to default screen like a laptop screen. It will try to find the extended monitor or the connected monitor, and the apps were not working correctly. I need to kind of shut down and then reopen the app.
What I would suggest is that you can start using this Trader Pro terminal, and I think your problem would be sorted out wherein you don't need to adjust it because we have one feature that is called default. So as you can see that my screen was not in the default mode wherein I have added different indicators and different widgets over here. And whenever, let's say I have just closed this, and as soon as I hit on the default button, you can see that my entire window is restored to my default window.
No, no, window is fine. I'm saying the chart window, right? I can have a chart as out of this app as a separate screen. It's not now it has to be on another monitor. Is not not on
You can just, I got it. You can just try using this, and I think it would be working at your desk, like in your monitor. If not, let's connect in a remote session, and we will help you out how exactly it can be done.
Yeah, what I'm saying is the chart will work on another monitor. Issue is not that. Issue is if monitor is disconnected while the app is running, then the app goes in a non-responsive state.
There might be some issue with the Ring application. That's the reason we are here with a new application. So you can start using this, and I am pretty sure about it. You won't be facing this issue with our new Trader Pro terminal.
Sure, I will try, but I would like if executive can connect, and then I have a few more issues which I want to list out, like portfolio performance monitor. The values are not correct as per your actual values, and your portfolio return over.
Sir, sorry for the inconvenience, but what we can do is we can absolutely arrange a remote session, and we can discuss all your queries, and we will help to resolve all your queries as soon as possible.
Yeah. So in one general feedback I would like to give is Axis Direct really need to catch up with the other platform which are available in the market for the web-based application rather than this working people and mediation to install your exe application on the office system, right? But at least we can open the web base and this feature rather than on the
Again,
specific
so
exe.
the mindset before this Trader Pro terminal is for the hardcore traders who actually wants to use the trading system in the system itself, wherein he can use multiple features. So what happens is if we have created everything in the website, so it's difficult to add all the features over there. So this is something predominantly for the hardcore traders, wherein they can use and make the most of from this. But yeah, your feedback has been taken, and absolutely we can we will.
But if I go with the preferences also, the pro trader based on their customer base, I don't know, but it will be like out of 100, it will be like 10. 90%, I'm pretty sure the general public who are like do the investment or the sometimes do the trading. So means they from their perspective, I would have said, right, instead of EXE, if we have a web-based system, proper one, or at least whatever the feature you are providing on this, at least a lighter version on the web base. That will be more
Yeah,
beneficial
absolutely.
from the customer. Yeah.
Yeah, your feedback has been noted, sir. We will absolutely try to work on this.
Yeah, I think that's all from my side. Thank you.
Thanks
Thanks.
a lot. So guys, last 5 minutes. If you guys have any questions, I would be taking two more questions, and then we would be ending this webinar. Perfect, Manas. I would appreciate that. I would urge everyone to use this new trader flow terminal, wherein you can just use many features and many useful features for all the traders, and you can see how beautifully all the features work. And it would be very great if you use all the features and then get into the depth of each features, because there are so many things added in any particular features. Just to give it just like the access scanner, there are so many indicators, there are so many candlestick patterns, there are different bullish and bearish patterns. Also, there are some set of rules also if you want to which are trading below 200 or 300 rupees. Again, that can be also easily done. So again, if you start using it, you will be getting so many features, so many hidden features, and you can just explore the CXE, and you will just absolutely love the CXE, and you will love the trading with this platform. So yeah, Raja, one thing, as of now, this system would be working in Windows only. Mac, we would be checking the feasibility, and we'll be getting back to you. Guys, any more questions? So I think there is one question in the chat box. Do we have an option premium chart in this terminal? Option premium in the sense you can just check the option premium from the option chain as I have shown you earlier. So Ramakrishnan, you want me to pull up the option chain again? It's just like, so yeah, that is something you are talking about, a widget wherein all the premium of the multiple strike price has been shown. So this is something we can incorporate. So as of now, we are launching this, and we would be again adding more and more features. We would just add all the features which are available in the Ring platform, and so that is something we have planned. So all the features which are available in the Ring platform would be available in this platform too. Over and above that, there would be so many. There are so many features which is very handy for the traders, and you can just make use of those features. Yeah, I got it. We would be adding that in the near future. It's the option premium versus time. I absolutely got your point. So that feature is something we would be adding in the Trader Pro terminal in few months. Perfect. So I think let's wrap this up. So I would like to thank you everyone for. Hello. Yeah, so I would like to thank you everyone for joining this session. So I hope this session has added some value, and start using this Trader Pro terminal, wherein you can find so many good features for all the traders, and you would absolutely love it. In case you have any issues regarding this, you face any issues regarding this Trader Pro terminal, or if you have any doubts, please reach out to our customer service team. Our executive will be more than happy to help you out. Also, we can arrange the remote session wherein we can explain you any feature or the details of that feature, how it would be working, or in case if you are facing any issues, that would be like taken on the priority basis, and it would be resolved as soon as possible once you raise it. So once again, thank you so much, and thanks for being a wonderful audience. Rohan, over to you. Like, I'm just stopping my screen.
A big thanks to Rohit for the insightful and thorough demonstration of Trader Pro. I am sure all of you found the session helpful and are now eager to explore the platform's full potential. Also, be sure to stay tuned for more upcoming webinars. We have a series of exciting sessions planned. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you everyone.